Alright, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to a video. Today I'm actually going to be working on my motorcycle, which hopefully this will be the second video I post, so you'll see the last one, the kind of intro to it. But 04 Ninja 500R, and today I want to try and delete this tail fender, whatever you want to call it, because you can see like how much it comes down. It's chewed up from, I have no idea what from, but I just like the look of them with the fender eliminators. I didn't get the actual kit. I didn't quite like the way it looked, but I found something on Amazon that I'm hoping I can rig up and make work, but we won't know for sure. But here it is. So your plate basically bolts in these two slots. This is adjustable up and down if you want to move it. This is a LED tail light. There's the wiring for it. This will hopefully mount up in the bike and get rid of that, and the tail lights mount on each side. But it's got a lot of adjustments. You want to slide it in or out, you want to angle it, you want to drop it, raise it. So that's going to be today's project, is trying to fit this up and see if this will fit. And if we got a good fit and I like the way it looks, which I think anything will look better than this ugly thing, then you will see this video. If not, and didn't post it, so you never knew. But I'm gonna get started on pulling. I'm trying to figure out how I want to do this. Got the seat off already, as you can see. I'm probably gonna pull these two fenders off, top piece and clip. So it's just Phillips screw on the side of each panel. There's a screw down there, one on the other side. Up underneath here, hopefully you can see, I'm not sure, it's really bright, two screws for this. Then these panels slide back, and this has two 13s. So, all right, so there it is. Both side panels off, just like that many Phillips screws. Those are all off. This thing's mounted with two 10s up here, a couple on the side. We'll work on taking this off. All right, so got the old fender off. Of course, we're gonna have to reuse these lights or maybe order new ones or something. But this is how it's mounted now. Looks pretty cool, honestly, from the side. Like, I actually really like it. So I think I'm going to delete this, which this is the, what the heck is it called? Plate bulb. So I think I'm gonna get rid of that. And then I don't want this big empty gap. So I think I'm gonna put the fender back in and then just trim it like right, you know what I mean? Right up there, that way it's not blowing dirt, because there'll be this massive hole at the top, which I usually drive on dry roads anyways. But I don't know, I gotta figure that part out, but that's how it looks. This isn't tight yet, I haven't mounted that all the way, but I think that looks way better. Looks pretty cool. So do some more tweaking and I'll get back to you. All right, so it's fully mounted up. I don't remember if I said or not, but I got new lights coming that are shorter, way shorter than this. I think they end like here instead of coming out. They look better than this stupid design. But this is what I got for now, so it can still be legal. See it in the back here, you can see how it's mounted up. I took the original fender because I still wanted the cover up top. Trimmed it along the side there just so mud's not spraying up. Tucked all the wiring up through the hole. All the wires have been extended, soldered, taped. They're out of the way. Now I'm just tightening fender back on, put it together and show you what it looks like.